In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate or clone a Base44 project in just 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to back up your work or replicate a successful project for further development, following these steps will help you do it quickly and efficiently. Let's dive in. First, open your preferred web browser and search for Base44. Once you locate the website, click on the link to enter the platform. When you arrive at the home page, the next step is to click on Start Building. This is your entry point into the Base44 environment where all the project building magic happens. If you aren't yet logged in, you'll need to do so now. Enter your login credentials to proceed. If you're new to Base44, take a moment to sign up. It's a straightforward process, and once you're finished, you'll have full access to the platform. After successfully logging in or signing up, you're ready to start building. You have the option to begin working on a new app by writing a prompt to outline your idea. An alternative is to scroll down and explore your recent apps if you're revisiting past projects. When you have the app open that you wish to duplicate, direct your attention to the dashboard. You'll typically find this near the top middle section of your display. Click on it to access further options. Next, navigate to the Settings menu where you'll need to select App Settings from the available options. This section is where you'll find the detailed configurations for your app, including the option to duplicate it. Scroll through the Settings page until you locate the Clone App button. This option is generally positioned towards the bottom of the page for easy access. Simply click on this button and voila! A duplicate of your app is created instantaneously. You'll find the newly cloned app on your app's page. It's marked with Copy in the name, which distinguishes it from the original. And that's it. You've successfully cloned a Base44 project. Duplicating a project like this can be incredibly useful for a number of reasons, whether you're making a backup before making big changes, setting up a testing environment, or creating multiple versions for different clients. By following these straightforward steps, you can efficiently clone your apps without hassle. Remember to keep your app list organized and rename your cloned app if needed to ensure clarity in your workspace. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below or reach out directly. Have a great day and happy cloning.